is Dr. Meg Kalady. I am an audiologist here in Beaufort, South Carolina. Kalady Audiology, along with best practices and making sure that you are getting the best technology and the best fit, you're also going to have a good time.
We do patient interaction, patient care beautifully. It's very intentional. It is very focused on what the patient needs. It's how can I serve you? Let me listen to you describe what you need from me, and then let me provide you that.
You stop talking, and that's not right. You know, you just stop communicating because you get tired of saying it again and again and again. It makes my life that much better. The hearing aids are for me. He's wearing them, but they're for me.
My granddaughter said something to me to come up to her room. So I went up to her room, she opened her closet door, and I said, well, where's the magic carpet? And she said, I didn't say magic carpet. I said, you want to see my messy closet?
I mean, obviously in groups where you want to be able to join in the conversation, you get really annoyed at having to ask people to repeat, mainly because you know it's annoying to them.
You don't really realize what you're missing prior to wearing hearing aids, and once you wear hearing aids, not only is your hearing better, but you realize that you're hearing things that you never heard before.
I've told them that she's understanding, but more than that, she's gentle. And I've told a couple of people. My wife before me and now me, we're very pleased with Meg.
I went from hearing at an 86% comprehensive level to 97% with hearing aids. And that means the world to me because that 10% can make such a world of difference.